Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever caught yourself thinking it had to be all or nothing? Like either you're doing everything perfectly or it doesn't even count. You might be thinking something like, it's that I'm either all in for this new habit or I've failed again. Or I'm either working nonstop or I'm completely checked out. For so many high-stress professionals, this kind of black and white thinking feels normal, even productive sometimes. It gives us a false sense of control, but it's actually one of the biggest mindset traps, keeping you stuck, exhausted, and constantly feeling like you're falling short. Today we're diving into how all or nothing thinking shows up in your life, why it keeps you from growing, and how to start breaking free so that you can feel more balanced, focused, and proud of the life that you're building. Let's dive in. When we think of all or nothing thinking, we usually see it first in kids. You've probably heard something like, nobody likes me, or everybody got to go except for me. When we hear kids talk like this, we smile because we know it's not true. But when it's us, we start thinking, everything went wrong today, or I can never get ahead, or even this busy season is going to burn me out again. We don't question it, we believe it, and that's where some of our problems begin. All or nothing thinking feels comforting because it gives your brain a shortcut. You don't have to feel uncertain. You don't have to explore the in-between. It's cleaner, simpler, even safer. But it's also the exact thing that keeps you from growing into your next version of yourself. The version who's calm, capable, confident, and more in control, no matter what's happening around you. I see this all the time with my clients inside the reinvention process. They start by believing that they're either winning or they're losing. They're on top of everything or completely behind. They see their worth through the lens of what got done, how many clients they served, or how in control they felt that day. But once they start to see that the world isn't black and white, that success and failure exist together, everything starts to shift for them. They stop waiting for the perfect time to start something new. They stop abandoning themselves the moment things don't go as planned. And they begin creating balance from the inside out, not because life got easier, but because they stopped making it all or nothing. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.